Hi, teacher. My name is Iván Darío Reyes Puin, and this is my English homework. He is my best friend, Felipe Contreras. He is 33 years old. He is from Colombia and lives in Bogota. He is assistant engineer. He is a kind person and has a beautiful family. They are the wife and son. He likes to play sports like soccer, basketball, calisthenics, and many others. Mm, Felipe's routine is to get up at 5 a.m. and get his son ready. He makes his son's breakfast and takes him to school. He exercises from 6 a.m. until 8 a.m. and he has a shower and makes breakfast. He arrives at work at 9 a.m. until 12 p.m. and he has lunch in the cafeteria until 1 p.m. And he finish his workday at 5 p.m. and he returns home on a motorcycle. Uh, he and he and his son play basketball for 1 hour at 7 p.m. They have dinner as a family and watch TV until 9 p.m. and go to bed at 10 p.m. Thank you for your attention.